guys, we're going to take another look at our Jet Motors Turbo Kit. But first, I really want to thank all of you. The response we're getting about these turbo kits and the pre-orders is phenomenal. You guys are awesome. We really want to thank you, our customers, our friends. Thank you for all the pre-orders. That being said, you need to get in and get a pre-order if you want one of these, because we are selling out, and that's not a joke. This is awesome. You guys are awesome. Thank you for buying these things. Thank you for your pre-orders. They are going gangbusters. So if you want one, you really need to get online and do your $100 pre-order. It is refundable. If you change your mind and you don't want it, that's okay. Somebody else will. But you've got to get on the list because we are selling out. So let's take another look. This is the actual turbo kit all assembled off of the motor. So last time you saw me put it on the motor in a time lapse, but I thought you guys might like to see what it looks like just bolted together. This is really all there is to it. I mean, you put that on your exhaust side of your cylinder head and voila, this is the intake charge pipe. Again, we clocked the turbo so that this charge pipe is nice and clean and simple with the blow-off valve integrated, the bung for your sensors, the bung for your air fuel. Of course, we got our oil feed line here. Our oil drain, we put the drain into the flywheel housing, or we'll run it along over to the side to the fuel pump block-off plate. So if you don't have a vent or a hole on your flywheel housing, you can run it over to the fuel pump block-off plate. We have an adapter for that. So you need to tell us. That'll be in the orders. So we are coming up with several options. So right now we kind of have an option list in our heads, and we're going to put it on the website, but we can turbocharge the SPI, which is a perfect candidate for it. So we get a lot of questions. Can you turbocharge the SPI? Yes, because it already has a high pressure fuel pump in the tank. It already has a return line, and you're ready to go. So all you really need is the turbo kit and a single 1 3/4 HIF 44 carburetor that is turbo prepared, and we have those also. We can turbocharge the MPI as well. We use the Specialist Components throttle body and the trigger from Specialist Components for the ignition and the Delta 400 computer. So we can turbocharge the SPI, the MPI, of course, all of the regular 5-port A-series motors, easily turbochargeable. So anyway, we want to thank you again. Here's another good look at this thing. I'll spin it for you. Kind of a big old hunk of something, isn't it? Anyway, thank you guys. Get in, get your pre-orders now. They're $100. That gets you on the list, and you're guaranteed to get one of these. So again, thank you, and we'll see you on the next one.